Welcome to Sat X. Today's question, root 3x minus 3 equals to root 27. We have to find out the value of x. So in this case, first we can write like root 3x minus root 27 equals to plus 3. We just exchange root 27 and 3. Now this root 3x minus root 27, we can write root 9 times root 3 and equals to 3. Why? Because we know once root AB, it means root A and root B. 27 means 9 times 3. Okay, now look, this is a root 3 and here is root 3. We can take common root 3. So here is x minus root 9, but against root 9 we can write 3 because 9 is a perfect square. Root 9 equals to 3. Okay, equals to, here is 3. Now we can divide both sides by root 3. So x minus 3 equals to 3 divide root 3. So x equals to minus 3 equals to root 3. Why? Because 3 means root 3 times root 3. Once we divide by root 3, it means here is root 3, this root 3 and this root 3 out, and result will be root 3. So here is 3 divide root 3, we are writing root 3. Now x equals to root 3 plus 3 and this is our answer. Okay, I hope you cleared this one. This is very simple math, but you are facing lots of competitive examination like Math Olympiad, job or admission test. Please subscribe my channel because from this channel you will get lots of question which is very important for examination. Take care and don't forget, share with your friends. Thank you.